Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. This is BetheBeat if you didn't already know. If you are new here, that means you didn't know, and welcome to the team. Like I said, I'm BetheBeat, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today's video is in collaboration with BeautyByPatraD. She is here on YouTube as well, and she's really dope. We actually met a while back at a Chick-fil-A. She was like, "Hey, are you that girl, BetheBeat?" And I was like, yeah. She was like, "I'm BeautyByPatraD," and I was like, "Hey girl," and we were like, "Let's collab." But anyway, she's pretty dope, so if you will just go subscribe to her channel and watch her video as well. We're just gonna do like a quick holiday beat. So the holidays are coming up, so this look will be what you can, wear to your living room and be beat. So I'm going to leave her channel somewhere on the screen. I've recently learned how to use all these little YouTube links, so like I can link her channel. But anyway, I'm gonna link her channel somewhere on the screen, and make sure you check her out. Subscribe, watch, like, comment. So both of our videos. And I'm not exactly sure what I'm actually gonna do. I'm just kind of winging it. I've already completed my skin for the most part. I'll just have to like bronze and everything, but I'm just gonna jump right into my eyes because that's the important part today. But anywho, let's get started. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team, yeah. I'm going super warm, maybe a little cut crease action. And y'all peep the wig today. I haven't worn a wig in years. Like, the only reason I'm wearing it today is because I left my do-rag in my car, so I can't like I can't gel my hair down and make it lay the way I need it to, so I just had to slap this wig on. So I'm gonna have to like straighten it and get it back together because I haven't worn it in so long. It was wadded down in my closet. So I look a little crazy right now, but I'm gonna get it together. Right now I'm using this palette is a mess, but I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I mean, honestly, I don't feel no type of way about Jaclyn Hill, but the palette was cute at the time, so I got it. I've had this palette for a long time and it looks a mess. I'm ashamed to even show it to y'all. I haven't used this palette in a minute. But I'm going into this, I can't even tell if I'm in the frame because I'm recording with my phone, because last time I recorded with my camera, y'all said the lighting was really yellow, so I'm gonna try it with my phone today. But I'm gonna go into this light brown shade. Well, I mean, it's light in the pan, but it reflects really well in the face. I'm just gonna like sweep that color all up and through my crease. I'm gonna get this eye nice and warmed up. It is the day before Thanksgiving, and I mean, by the time y'all see this video, it's gonna be the after Thanksgiving, but I'm ready to eat. Next, I'm gonna take this this shade right here. It's kind of like a brownish burgundy shade, and y'all know this is my type. Like, these are my favorite type of colors. I love a good burgundy eye. And I just thought it was appropriate. I mean, I decided to put this little burgundy turtleneck on, a little maroon, and I got this little burgundy hair, so I'm gonna roll with it. This light is so bright, I can barely see. Yeah, hope I'm blended. So, are y'all excited for Christmas time? Like, let's talk about the holidays. Do y'all celebrate? Like, what about my subscribers out there? Like, I don't know all of you personally. Like, I don't know a lot of you personally, but like, let's get to know each other. Like, do y'all celebrate the holidays? Do y'all celebrate Thanksgiving and Christmas? I know like a lot of people don't, but I do. This is gonna be my son's first Christmas, so I'm really excited. I want us to take like some holiday pictures together for his, like, you know, first little holiday season. But I have to like get outfits planned for he and I. Like, I gotta figure out what I'd want us to wear. And where I'd probably just try to take the pictures at home, honestly, because I mean, I have camera equipment, I have lighting, and I mean, it'll be free. So I don't know, we'll see. I guess I just gotta figure out some outfits for us. I don't know what I'm going for, but I'm excited for his little first Christmas. And he's only gonna be 5 months old on Christmas, so it's not like he's gonna want like gifts and stuff. So I like that part of Christmas is gonna be easy for me this year, thankfully. I guess probably in about 2 more years is when it's gonna get like, oh, like he's gonna be able to understand the concept and like kind of open a gift. Next year, maybe a little bit, but not as much as the following year. So I'm excited. This is gonna be my first Christmas as a mom. Like, what? Like, this is like crazy. I still can't believe I'm a mom a lot of times. But I love it. I love being a mom. Let's see. Now I'm gonna go into this color right next to it. It's like a burgundy shade. I hope y'all can see that. I hope I'm in the frame. Since I'm recording my phone, I don't have like a flip screen where I can see what I'm doing. So hopefully I'm in focus. I'm gonna continue to just kind of press this into my crease. And take it easy. I'm just more so like pressing these colors into my eye and then blending out the edges so that I definitely get like the color payoff I want. And I've been using the same brush for all 3 colors. When I'm using colors this close to each other in the color family, I just typically go with the same brush. I think baby boy is awake. He probably hears me talking. Probably woke him up. This is his first time seeing me in a wig, so he's probably like, who this woman? Hopple, who this woman? All right, so now I'm gonna like cut my crease some type of way. I'm not sure if I wanna do like a halo cut or a cut. I'll probably do a cut. I'm gonna take some concealer and a small brush and just begin to kind of like stamp that crease out. All right, so now that I got my crease carved out, I'm just gonna like kind of blend out the edges and do my outer V area. Now that I'm working with one hand, it's gonna be hard for me to show y'all the colors I'm using, but I'm gonna go into like a really dark brown-ish shade. What color am I going to use on the lid? I'm gonna use a green, like a dark green shimmer. Let's see. All right, so I just used a blend of different colors. I used the green glitter in the middle, and then like some brownish burgundy glitter on the outer corner, and a very light kind of silvery glitter in the middle, well, in the center of my eye, and well, the center of my face, the inner corner of my eye. And then I just kind of blended them all together. So it's kind of hard for me to show you the shades because I'm working with one hand. But all right, so now that I finished that portion of my eyes, I'm just going to do my lower lash line now. I'm just gonna kind of repeat the same colors I used on the top. Well, I'm gonna go in with the kind of burgundy shade first and stamp that underneath. With the darker shade and put that closer to my lash line, as close as I can. You know, I'm gonna do a little liner today. You know, I don't usually do a little liner. I'm gonna use this NYX matte liquid eyeliner to do a little song. I can't believe I'm doing a liner with him alone. All right, so the eyes are complete. I'm just gonna quickly wrap up the rest of my skin. I'm gonna use this blush, Faux Sure by MAC. So I'm gonna use this lipstick, liquid lipstick by BeautyByPatraD called Provocative. I feel like it goes with the vibe. I first line my lips with a little brown. All right, I'm gonna get my lashes on and fix this wig and then be back with the completed look. All right, y'all, so this is the completed look. I hope y'all love it. I'm feeling it. I wasn't sure where I was going with this today, but turns out I look like a bad one. Look like a baddie, you know what I'm saying? Yes, so this whole eyeshadow look came off of the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. And I got on Brooklyn Beauty lashes. Get into it. Get into this lash. I need to trim them a little bit, but I mean, I'm feeling it. I ain't had no hair on my head in a while, so I don't know how to act. I really don't know how to act. So I thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate the love and support. Don't forget to head over to BeautyByPatraD. Like I said, this is a collaboration video with her. So don't forget to check out her video and her holiday look and see what we came up with. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna feed my son now. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, all that. Check out BeautyByPatraD. And I'm going to leave her channel linked below and on the screen somewhere. We thank you so much for watching. Y'all, I forgot how I feel with hair, so I don't know. I feel kind of weird, but let me know if you like it. Now, I need to revamp her. I need to wash her and deep condition her. But see ya. Beats and love.